Wow, okay. Dapat mabit mo ha. Okay, ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Chico!
Alright! 20 points! Wow! Okay, next. And Zika. Okay, gusto ka baby. Ayun, okay. Baby, how old are you? Ay, 3 years old. Okay, kinukalap ka sa kanila ni Naiya. Okay, greet natin si Chikaya. Ayun, ayun. Parang si Chuchay. Si Chuchay yata. Si Chuchay yata. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Okay, next. Ayan, alright. Si Avery, okay. Ilan taong ka na kuya? 5. Sino kasama mo? Si Mami. Wow, okay. Sexy, sexy Mami. Alright. Okay, kailangan mabit mo ha. 20 points yun. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Chico!
Tumabot! Okay. 21 points! Wow! Very good. Next. Bali dito na. Ayan, nananawagan po yung nalaglagan ng shoes. Okay. Ayan, okay. Kailangan mabit mo ha. 21 points. Kaya mo yan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chico!
Okay! 12 points! Wow! Okay, next. Si Shane na. Ayan. Okay, Shane na rin ka si stage. Ayaw na tumunta. Ilan taon na si Shane? 9. Okay, kailangan mabinbin 21 points ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chico!
Okay! 22 points! Wow! Okay, next. Si Mia. Ilan taon na si Mia? Okay, 9 points. Okay. Ready na? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chico!
Ayan, akala ko lumipad si Mia. 19 points! Okay, next. Eh, si Jaya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Parang ako yung sumasali sa game, ha? Ah, eto! Pambato! Mukhang maraming dala. Teka, walang panlaman si Kuya Arden. Okay. Okay, Kuya, ilan taon ka na? 10. Kailangan matalo mo yung 22, ha? May naka-22 na. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chico!
Ay, tapos yung party. Okay! 24 points! May umabol pa ba? Ayan na, natakot kay Derek. Okay, palabahan natin yung winner natin. Okay. Ayan. Asan yung naka-20? Yung naka-20 na bata. Ayan, si Jimboy. Okay. Tapos, si Ate. Okay, ayan. Okay, yan ng kids. Punta na tayo kay Mami at Daddy. Dahil itong game, bagong-bago itong game na ito eh. Pinag-uusapan na. The Bring Me Game. Ayan. Belt, go! Pinakamahabang belt. Okay, bigay kay Kuya Arden. Kay Kuya Arden. Pinakamahabang belt kay Kuya Arden daw. Kay Kuya Arden. Ayan, kay Kuya Arden. Sino kaya? Pinakamahabang belt. Teka. Teka nga dito sa belt na to, maarbor nga to. Ay, nakatulong yung mga imulmul. Gusto naman. Ay, wala pa natin yung natin yung belt. Ay, yan, nakatulong yung mga ano, yung imulmul ng ano. Okay. Ayan, okay. Okay. Ronald McDonald says, bring me your dancing Lola, go! Dancing Lola! Sino kaya? Kailangan yung Joseph. Ate, ano pangalan? Kita na. Ayan, si Lola Ernie. Isa. Nanay Kelly. Okay, mami. Kayo tayo, mami. Okay. Titignan natin kung sino yung bigaming na Lola. Ayan. Sino kaya yung bigaming? Akala nyo kung saan ito nyo lang mapapanood ito. Ito, live to, live. Okay. Ayan, yan na tayo sa Lola natin. Okay. Niyo po yung price nyo. Ayan, live na live yun ha. Okay, parang nasa wawawi lang. Ayan, parang wawawi lang. Okay, hawak mo kuya. Ayan. Oh! 500 kapalit ng ruler. Salamat po. Ayan. Okay. Ronald McDonald says, bring me your beautiful mommy, go! Ayan. Ayan, ito ka dito lagi. Okay, titignan natin. Okay. Come on! Okay. Bigapin mo, bigapin! Okay, ayan. Okay, mga kids, upo na tayo. This time po, si Mami. Mami, kailangan ko po ng 6 na girls sa adult talk. 6 na girls. Ayan, makinig po. Gawa po kayo ng pangalan ng team nyo. Usap kayo kung ano pong pangalan ng team nyo. Okay. Okay, yung mga girls, ano pong pangalan ng team nila?
The Beauties!
Ayan, the Billies! Palapalan natin! Okay, yung mga boys ko, ano pong pangalan?
Papitos!
Yung po yung winners natin. Okay. Ayan. Okay, na lang sa go! Wow! Okay! Wow! Ayan, dito kayo mananalo. Dito kayo mananalo. Ayan! Ayan! Okay, babalik! Ibabalik yung cup! Ibabalik yung cup! Ibabalik yung cup! Ayan! Parang manala. Dito kaya matoon. Ano ba? Nakatulong ang puwet. Gusto naman. Ayan. Ang alam ko po, ang 8-8 ganito. Ang mga boys ganito. Ano ba? Okay. 1 point na po ang ating mini team. Ayan. Habol po tayo yung ating mga Guapitos team. Okay. Then, okay, round 2 na! Round 2, go! Wala akong ma-comment sa mga girls natin. Ganun na yung 8-8. Ano ba yan? Okay! We have a winner! Wala pa! Okay, then magbigay ng prize. Okay, mama, i-claim po yung prize nyo. Okay, ayan. Nakakahingal na game. Okay, dahil hiningal po kayong lahat, punta na po kayo sa mga table nyo para po mabilang at makakain na po tayo.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a good fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a good fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a good fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a good fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was
a pieman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. The pieman said to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, deed I have not any. Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware.
The farmer in the dale, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dale. The farmer takes a wife, the farmer takes a wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes a wife. The wife takes a child, the wife takes a child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes a child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the dog, the nurse takes the dog, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the rat, the cat takes the rat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the rat. The rat takes the cheese, the rat takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the rat takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, Kaya, kids, ha? Si Chikoy hindi magpapapicture. Ayan, natakot. Okay, papicture tayo. Okay, ayan. Lahat ng kids, dali pa-picture na tayo with Kid Macdo. Okay. Okay, ayan. Ayan, go tayo. Ready? Keep on, go! Ay, di alam mo kami. Tayo! Okay, go! Magaling na dyan, may incredible power! Ayan! Yung magaling na dyan, may incredible power, ha? Go! Dance kayo, ha? Sino yung pipiliin ni Kim Macdo? Okay, go! Ayan, alam. Okay, Kim Macdo, pili ka na. Ayan, wow, may napili na. Okay. Ay, sino napili niya? Wow! Manonood natin, diba? Di ba yung napili niya? Okay, ayan. Okay, so samahan tayo ni Kid Macdo para ka. Alright, okay. Ayan, say goodbye to Kid Macdo. Bye, Kid Macdo. Ayan, okay. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hindi, para huwag mamatay yung kandila.
Okay, may mito na po.
Low.
Okay, ayan. Malabahan natin si Chikoy. Ayan, gani yung wish niyo po para sa baby niyo po. Okay, ayan kids. Pila na tayong lahat dahil may souvenir si Chikoy para sa atin. Ayan. Ayan, nawawala si baby. Okay. Ayan, sikan sabihin natin kay Chikoy. Okay, ayan. Ayan, very good. Okay, next. Okay, kaibigan ko na yung souvenir mo. Okay, very good. Okay, wow. Okay.
Happy birthday, Chico.
Wow, next. Okay, next.
Happy birthday, Chico.
Ayan.
kids. Excuse me.
Okay, kids, tabi tayo ha.